Hey guys, I'm starting a new series now. It's called Hammer Time, where I just smash objects like this. Today I'm just smashing obviously this, because it has no sense or manner whatsoever why they should have it. And second of all, it's not correct anyway. So let's set up the camera. Wait. It's really hard because I'm trying to get some bubbles here. Seems like it's gonna pop. You guys see this? So, yeah. I got a wish that I wanted. Finally. Yes, definitely. Wait, let's ask a question. Will I get a wish? Yes, definitely. Now this thing is hacked for some reason. See, look, I just got yes, definitely again. So basically it's stuck. Wait guys, I'll be back. Sorry guys, sorry for the long wait. You should have skipped. I don't even know what's in here. That's it. Kind of weird. So next episode, I might get this open. So this can go out there. But there, you know, it might be a little windy. You can kind of hear it, but yeah. Thank you and